Watch me now as I start this intro. The guy cutting his shit across the street is gonna come with full force. He's just waiting. He's waiting for me to talk, bro. Heyo guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shay Cray for those of you who don't know, and we're back this week with another real-time unboxing and review video. Now, what going on with you lot? Because today's video, what we're opening up, is a pair of the Yeezy blue tints. And I was actually quite surprised that I seen quite a lot of pairs sitting, maybe not for very long, but after the raffles were over, I did see quite a lot of these get re-uploaded to sites, especially in kind of the smaller sizes. So I'm a bit lost on why you guys are not on this. I believe these haven't re-released since 2018, to my recollection. And I was salty I didn't get them then, because these were in the time periods where you couldn't get Yeezys, and once they were gone, they were gone. They weren't these re-releases that we got going on now. So maybe that's why. Maybe the hype's patterned down. I don't know. All I know is that I most definitely need a new pair. I think it's a great summer kick. I'm hoping it's gonna look fly, because look what I did to my zebras. Like, Lord Jesus, look what I did to my zebras. So I need a new pair. So let's go ahead and open these up. So I ended up actually copying 3 pairs just off of raffles. I got 2 of the boxes here. We're going to go ahead and open these up. But as always, if you wouldn't mind dropping a like, a comment, and maybe even a cheeky subscribe if you're enjoying this video or any of my others, that would be blessed. Oh no. Hey yo, what? Okay, the box was upside down. I thought it was like a newfangled box where they didn't have the writing on the front. It was just upside down. First looks at the box then. In case you're a Yeezy newbie, all Yeezys pretty much look the same. It's going to be in this cardboard box. Depending on what pair you have, it's going to say that on the top. So these are a pair of 350s. So we've got the 350s on the top. Pull drawer and, you know, sizing on the other end. In a Yeezy, I'm a 5.5 across the board. But there's really no chat on the Yeezy box. If I'm honest, it's a bit boring. So we're just going to get straight into the kicks. Even though I'm excited, like, I'm kind of not excited, because I feel like they're just going to look like my zebras, but not look like my zebras, if that makes sense. And then on top of that, I'm on like a 2-day hangover. So the vibe's just different today. I went on a tangent. I'm sorry. Let's get back to opening the box. Ooh! I cheated. I actually just cheated on camera. I've never done that before. I just looked at the box. For any of the Yeezy noobs out there, then, we do have the tissue paper. Just this standard brown plain tissue paper. We're not really going to get any extras in the box here, so let's just dive straight into it. Oh, this is kind of weird still. It's blue, but it's like icy blue. I actually don't know how I feel about these. I really don't. Oh, you know, these finna be comfy. The shoe is ribbed for your pleasure. I know my family sit and like watch my videos, and sometimes I'm just like, I make really inappropriate jokes, and so I try not to think about it. Going further into these details then, if you've seen a lot of 350s before, this essentially might be a little bit boring, because all they've kind of done is switch up the colorway. It's kind of like an OG like zebra, but they have kind of dip dyed it. If you've ever seen those, if you're a shoe person on Instagram, I'm sure you've seen the videos of, you know, kind of submerging shoes into these like coloured waters, and they come out and they're kind of a slightly different hue. That is most definitely the vibe this is giving off, especially kind of around the ankle parts and where essentially the tongue is for the Yeezys. It is most definitely giving off that vibe. But we have this woven upper that it kind of, for me, they're saying like teal, but there are definitely like grey elements to this shoe. Like the stripes to me most definitely are coming off as more of a grey. I get that it's a tint, but there is that kind of grey on there. We've even got the grey stitching, you know, down the front here where the toe box is. Even the laces stay frosted up again in this nice icy tinted blue. Now I am learning names, so on the lateral side we do have the Supply 350 in that red stitching, just kind of like they do with the zebras. But one thing they have switched up here is the back on the pull tab actually has this red contrasting stitching as well. I don't know on the re-releases, but on like the zebras that I have, it was just the plain black and white. And you might be thinking, right, this is a minor thing, like why are you pointing this out? Even though it's minor, I feel like this is essential. I feel like for some reason this contrast stitching has kind of just pulled it together a little bit. Otherwise we kind of just have this iced out shoe with just some red on there. for no apparent reason. So I do definitely feel like it's kind of just brought the kick together. If you want to head inside, I like that they haven't skimped, and even the insole is in this icy blue. We have the Adidas and Yeezy print in there, just again in the red to keep everything all in theme. And then in the back of the heel where you're going to put your foot, we do have the Adidas 3 stripes. We then come down to that ribbed semi-translucent midsole that boasts that boost technology that you know and love. And if you don't know, get to know. Like, so even if you're not a shoe person, go put your foot in some Yeezys. Go, you know, check your boys' Yeezy or something. Just try them on for 5 minutes. I swear to God, your life will be changed and you'll be wanting a pair. It just, do it. It basically, just do it. I know that's Nike's slogan, but it really should be Yeezys, because just do it. Just put your foot in the Ras Clark thing, okay? Coming down to the sole then, we got the generic 350 sole. If you've seen it, maybe you haven't seen it, here it is in all its glory. Essentially very plain, and we see that boost technology kind of through here. We do have the boost written at the bottom, and we've also got a tiny little Adidas one at the top. But apart from that, it's kind of boring. And I'm just kind of gassed because I haven't seen a clean one in so many years. But there we have it. Let's go ahead then and get into sizing. Now, I haven't tried these on, but I know I'm a 5.5 in Yeezys across the board. I don't even feel the need to try it on. I would be very shocked if I went and tried this on and it did not fit. Now, Yeezys can be really hit and miss for a lot of people. Me, I tend to be a 5 in a men's shoe, and I only need to go up half a size, but I think it's because as a woman, maybe I've got slimmer feet or something, so I only need that half a size. I know most guys that I know like to go up a full size. So depending on, you know, where you're at with that, I would say these are true to size for your Yeezy size. For me, half a size up my regular size, but for a lot of people, it is a full size. So kind of come to your own conclusion where you will with that. Kanye just likes to kind of keep us on our toes. Okay guys, so thanks for stopping by and opening up these kicks with me. As always, you know, drop your comments down below, or alternatively you can come over to Instagram or TikTok or wherever the hell I may appear on the internet, you know, come say hey. But until the next one, peace, love, and I'm out. Can I just say though, the guy that was cutting some shit over the road, like instantly stopped as soon as I started chatting. So big up my man over there. Because, like, I swear to God, he's one of them. You ever have that geezer on your street who's always doing something, bruv? I'm like, does your missus not like you because she always wants you out the flipping house? Every Saturday I wake up, do you know what I mean? I'm in bed. I want to have a lie-in. Man's cutting down a tree. I'm like, how many trees have you got, sir? He's just planting a forest over there just so we can cut them down later. I don't know what people are chatting about. 100%. If these Frozens are too loud for you and you can't get a pair of some zebras or you beat them up like mine, like, this is definitely a nice middle ground. I like this hoodie, yeah, but I feel like it's proper like shoulder pads, like I'm in the 80s, bruv. Like, I feel like I look like a little robot or something. What my mum used to say to me growing up. Having fun, it's no good for you. Okay guys, thanks for stopping by. Okay guys, thanks for stopping by. Okay guys, thanks for stopping by. Oh fuck. Whatever else I might appear on the internet. Right, mate. Speaking fucking Australian. It's just an easy kick. It's a Yeezy kick. Hey. Okay, bye.